Anandam Paripurnam. Okay, fine. See, this is so nature that all our emotions are, we have born with all the emotions. Something which is unpleasant, something is not happening the way we wanted, we get disappointed and we just get angry out of it. We just react to it. Just when he listen to the screech sound, he get irritated. When something is unpleasant, he gets angry. When things are not happening the way he wanted, he gets disappointed. All this are so nature in human. Someone who crossed this limitation, who are seen as yogis, mahans, gods, siddhas, and we all wanted to have a pleasant full life. We are all working towards it. And we later slowly we understand this disappointment, the way I wanted everything should happen, this kind of understanding is not right. This kind of understanding or this kind of approach cannot give me the bliss, cannot give me the joy, cannot give me the happiness. This we understand. Though we understand, it is not in our experience, it is just in our understanding as knowledge. Everyone around you say that don't get angry. And if you observe all those people who say that you don't get angry, they also get angry. Through angry, we are losing our relationship. We are losing our health. We are losing our beauty. To cross the limitations of what a human is not that easy. It is definitely tough. You need a better sadhana for it. Because we are all ruled by the emotions. We are not ruled by the knowledge. Because knowledge says don't get angry. Emotion gets angry. It reacts with anger. So I have just given certain methods for you. There are certain practices. When you do this practice regularly, you can slowly come out of this anger. For the anger to come out, because basically we should reduce our spice in our food. And apart from that, just whenever you get angry, you should be aware about your anger. First technique is this. When you are aware about your anger, the anger dissolves and disappears. The very moment you get angry, you just get aware about it. See, I am now angry. See, I am angry, and now what kind of reactions are happening in my mind? I can sense it. When you are aware of it, the anger dissolves and disappears. But there is another problem with anger. If you just control the anger, you are suppressing yourself. It will create another kind of disease in your body. So it should happen in a very common way. To happen in a very casual way, there is another method. What is that another method? Look at the ignorance and innocence of the people. Understand, the human is always perfect. The place he born, the circumstances he grew, the path he travel is responsible for the behavior, quality, reactions of the person. So there is no point in just getting angry with the person. Bring the acceptance, and then just from the acceptance, try to see the ignorance of the people, innocence of the people. So once you started seeing the ignorance and innocence of the people, and give a command also. The very moment you get angry, you just give a command. It is his ignorance. It is his innocence. Out of their ignorance they are behaving. Out of their innocence they are behaving. So what happens? This approach will make you very cool. So it is a practice. This practice you have to do. So when you repeatedly do this